Hi, welcome to week 8. So, we're almost halfway through the semester, and this week we're going to start our overview of the healthcare workforce. This course is the only time in the program where we will actually talk about health professions and the many roles that they play in healthcare. So on your national exam, I just want you to know that you probably won't be asked many questions about this, but what they do on that exam, they will put different roles in a question, so you have to understand what that role does in order to answer it. So you'll need to know who does what and what role they serve in order to get to answers correctly. So for example, a nurse cannot write a prescription for opiates. There could be a question on who could legally write that. A nurse aide cannot start an IV line, and so forth. The role of the physician is vital in the delivery of services. Physicians can admit people to the hospital, or they can order care for persons. Without their service, there really is no service. Physicians serve many roles, one of which is a primary care physician, which we talked about a little bit in the outpatient unit. This is the doctor that a person often has, and they are called a generalist. There is a shortage of primary care physicians in certain parts of the country, and this really does impact a lot of smaller healthcare areas. This unit will also go this week into the role of the nurse. The nurse is a caregiver, they're an assessment taker, they're lifesavers. They too service many different roles, and as a demand for a skilled workforce continues, the role of the nurse has evolved over the years. Today a nurse can be an LPN, an RN, an advanced nurse practitioner, CRNA, certified registered nurse anesthetist. They can be midwives, lots of different roles. So the reason why we study health professions is because they're part of the healthcare delivery system. So this week is physician and nurses, and next week we'll get into allied health professions. Thank you, and have a great week. Be sure to look at your PowerPoints and read your transcripts.